Hello everyone, Isa here. I'm the rug colorist and I hope you guys are having a great day. I wanted to show you how I went about getting new yarn. So I started out with the yarn, this color right here. And this is 100% wool. And this was needed for my repair lady who needs to have more of, if you notice here, this is the yarn she gave me. And so we got an exact color match. As you can see, there's a slight difference. This is a little bit drier, but as you can see, let me see if I can show it in a good lighting here. So we use the dye bowl dyes for this process, and our formula is this blue right here, and I'll show you guys, right? So there you go. So if you are into rug repair, this is a great way to get a perfect match for your yarns, so that you don't have to order them, from someone else. You can simply buy the yarn in the size that you need. This one is like a beige color of yarn, but I also have several ones. This is more of a neutral, natural white. So this is how we go about getting an exact match so we can have our yarns for my repair lady, or if you are a repair person, professional, this is how you can accomplish that, so that your repair will look perfect, right? With the perfect color match. Look at that. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you're all having a great day. Talk to you later.